Installing your Embody headrest is a simple and straightforward process. When you open the box, you will find the spine. It includes the metal gear, which is already in place and should always stay there. The internal parts are arranged with a spring in the center and the metal piece facing the correct direction. At the end of the spine, you can open the plastic cover to find the nut. Make sure all the components you see here are present before you begin. If you are unsure about the exact orientation, you can re-watch this part of the video during installation. And of course, there's the headrest. To assemble the headrest, begin by removing the small bolt on the side of the spine. You can loosen it by hand. Then clip the spine onto the Embody chair, making sure the metal gear remains seated correctly inside. Gently place the spine on top of the chair and snap it into position. It will lock securely. Next, take the side cover and place it as shown. Push it into place. Insert the bolt through the hole and tighten it all the way. You will notice the improved design and finish, which match the original Embody chair perfectly. Now take the headrest and place it on top of the spine. Remove the first bolt from the group of pre-installed parts. Then insert it through the opening on the headrest. Insert the spring on the opposite side and push it in. This spring is an upgrade that adds functionality and increases durability. Now take the metal gear. Make sure the threads face inward, then click it into place. Insert the plastic cap, following the correct orientation. Then hold it steady and twist the bolt on the other side while pressing slightly. Make sure the nut is underneath the cap. Without this nut, the assembly will not hold securely. The spring you installed earlier is a key upgrade. It improves the lifespan of the headrest and also allows for smooth adjustment. You can move the headrest to any position within its range and lock it firmly in place. As you can see, it remains sturdy at every angle. For daily use, make sure the two side knobs stay fully tightened. There is no need to loosen them at any point. Their purpose is to give you an easy way to tighten the headrest later, after months of use if they start to feel loose. You will not need any tools, just use your hands. Adjusting the headrest is also very simple. Loosen the central bolt, move the headrest to your preferred position, then tighten the bolt again. The headrest can move up and down on its axis and also tilt in multiple angles to suit your sitting style. As you can see here, our engineer is doing his best to make the headrest snap back. While no one normally applies this much force, even with that, it still stays firm and does not move backward. The headrest is extremely comfortable and can be used in multiple ways, as you can see. That completes the installation and adjustment. Your OfficeLogixShop Embody headrest is now set up and ready to use.